now I will show you 1.1 kV 185 square mm LT straight through joint. So in this, one number of outer jutting sleeves, that is 1000 mm long. You can see the dimension, 1000 mm. 4 sleeves of 4 insulating sleeves of for ferrule reason. The dimension of sleeve is 240 mm. One braid for earthing, that's 800 mm long. Two number of jubilee clamp, one roll of mesh, 4 number of ferrules, 3 big, 1 small. This is for 3.5 core cable, 1 number of PVC NA tape, 1 number of binding wire, and mastics for side sealing, and 4 number of mastics are for ferrules reason. So that's all in 1.1 kV straight through joint.